Hi, welcome to Go Coders. So far, we have published 20 videos in this channel and we intend to create more videos like this on a regular basis for all of you. Now let's have a look at the technologies that we intend to cover in this channel. So definitely we will be covering Java and related technologies and definitely the Java programming, Spring Framework and Spring Boot. Well, we launched this channel with Git related technologies and then finally we switched to Spring Framework and Spring Boot. Our current focus on the videos are related to Spring Framework and related technologies, but definitely we intend to cover other technologies. Let's see what are the other type of technologies we intend to cover. So the other part is the DevOps and related technologies, and that includes Git and Jenkins, Docker and Kubernetes. Well, we want to cover definitely machine learning with Python, deep learning and data science. And finally, we would like to cover cloud computing, and to be specific, we want to cover cloud computing with AWS. However, please note that we don't want to limit ourselves to the topics and technologies that you have seen right now. Let us know what kind of other technologies you want us to cover and whether you prefer shorter or longer videos. Please feel free to comment on any other aspects related to this channel that you find worthwhile. And last but not the least, if you are liking videos from Go Coders channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when I publish the next video.